Hi, boys and girls, and welcome back to Social Studies. So let's look at number 6 right here. All right. So one way that we can use water is to get food from it. So how do we depend on water? Well, we drink water, we water crops, we cook and clean with water, and eat plants and animals that live in oceans, rivers, and lakes. So, how are ocean water and river water different? Well, ocean water is salty and river water is fresh. So, we use rivers, lakes, and oceans for recreation and travel from place to place. All right. It is our responsibility. It is our responsibility to take care of Earth's resources. We can keep our land and water clean. We can plant trees to take the place of trees that are cut down. So, there are more than 6 billion people on Earth, and we are all sharing the same resources. So, if we use up the resources, there will not be any left. So there are several ways to conserve or save our resources. So reduce, which is use less of a resource. So like turn off the light when you leave a room, walk or ride a bike instead of riding in a car. We have reuse, which is use something over again, like write on both sides of paper, save bags and boxes to use again. And then recycle is recycle items can be made into new things, like collect and recycle paper, cans, plastic, and glass. So pollution is anything that makes air, wind, or water dirty. So pollution is a threat to our resources. So laws have been passed to help clean up the environment and reduce pollution. So how do you think laws can help? Well, people will know what they can and cannot do. So how we can help the environment is by not littering. And litter means trash that people just throw on the ground or in the water instead of properly discarding it. So what should we do with things so they don't become litter? Well, we put them in the trash. All right, so we can also recycle or make something old into something new. So you can recycle plastic bags, paper, cans, and glass. So people use many resources, and we should take care of Earth's resources. So people use resources to meet their needs, and it is our responsibility to take care of Earth's resources. So review. How do people use and save resources? Well, people use resources such as soil, trees, and water to grow food, build houses, and meet other needs. And they can save resources by recycling. So how can we recycle? Well, we can recycle by putting plastic, paper, glass, and cans into bins to be collected and made into new items. And then let's list some paper, plastic, and glass things you can recycle. So paper could be magazines, newspaper. Plastic could be like the containers and bags. And then glass could be bottles and jars. All right, so what you are going to do today is you are going to write the names of the 3 resources you see in this picture. And then you're going to draw something that comes from each resources. So that is what you're going to do. You're going to write the names of the 3 resources you see in this picture, and then draw something that comes from each resource. Right? So if you have any questions, please let me know.